Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today I will be demonstrating a Feed All foundation that I just ordered. It is a self-adjusting foundation that matches every skin tone. So whether you're white, you're black, you're brown, you're chocolatey, this foundation automatically adjusts to match your skin tone. So I saw the advert actually on Instagram and I was totally sold. I was like, no, I need to get this foundation because for many years I have struggled with finding the right foundation for my skin tone. Whenever I go foundation shopping, I either buy something too dark or something too light, and then eventually I stuck with MAC. I always use the MAC brand. So well, I have this particular shade of MAC that I bought, and I used it only twice actually. This is how dark it is. For me, this is actually too dark. And then I used it only twice, like I said, and then I dumped it and I went ahead and bought this one. I'm going to show you what this one looks like. So well, this one is slightly lighter than the previous one, but I still feel like it's still too dark for me. And I was actually planning on going to buy something else when I ran into this advert. So I am going to be demonstrating what this actually looks like and if truly it is going to blend with my skin tone. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here it is, the TLM Color-Changing Foundation. I'm so very excited because I haven't even unwrapped it. I haven't touched the actual product. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I have no makeup on my face. Well, I have my eyes done, I have my eyebrows done, I have lip gloss on because I don't want to sit here looking like a peacock, okay? So here it is. This is what it looks like. I actually like it. I love the container. Okay, so oh guys, I'm so nervous actually. Wish me luck. So here is the whole idea. Okay, so well, from the adverts they do this and it's actually supposed to change. Oh my god, it's changing. Oh my god, but it still looks white though, doesn't it? No, it has to change totally. This is scary, right? It's changing, but I want it to change totally. I want it to turn like brown. Oh god, it is actually scary. But I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. I think I put too much. I'm just gonna keep going until it turns totally brown. Oh my god. Oh god. I think I put too much. I think that is the problem. So I know what to do when I'm going to apply it on my face. I'm just gonna put a drop on my face so that it doesn't look too white. Alright, so guys, well, it's kind of close, but we are not there yet, are we? No, we are not there yet. I'm not feeling it totally, but I'm ready to try it on my face. Alright guys, so my face is totally bare of foundation at the moment. Yeah. Alright, I'm ready to do this. Oh Lord. I'm just gonna put a drop right there. It's white. I still feel the wetness from the... Alright, let's go. It's actually supposed to be activated by rubbing it, so I just have to keep going. Imagine me going to a party like this with this white patch on my face. Like, this thing really has to turn brown, okay? It really has to turn brown. Otherwise, okay, just keep going. Let me use 2 fingers. Maybe that's gonna help. So guys, this is what it looks like. I have been rubbing my face for the past 3 or so minutes, and this is what my cheek now looks like. I don't know what to think about this. Like, it doesn't really look natural. It looks whitey. I wouldn't want to go out looking whitey. I want my makeup to be light and natural. And this is just white, obviously white. And I really don't know what to think about it. I really don't know. I'm not feeling it. I'm a bit disappointed. So to give you an idea, or for you to see the difference, I am going to apply my MAC foundation on this side of my face. So this is my MAC. I need a mirror. So on this side of my face is the TLM Colour-Changing Foundation, and on the other side is the MAC foundation that I regularly use. So I want to leave this up to you guys to determine which one looks better on me. If you ask me though, and I am the expert of my own face, I would say the MAC looks better. It looks fresher, it looks more natural, but this one just looks white, and that is not the idea of makeup. Makeup is not supposed to add a new color to your skin tone. It's supposed to accentuate your natural skin tone and your natural beauty, and that is not what is happening around here. Like, I'm looking like a ghost here, and that is not the whole idea. It looks white, and I cannot imagine myself going to an event looking like this, you know. So I am not going to use this product any longer. I'm gonna stick with MAC for now, but I want to give away this product to anyone watching this video right now, because like I said, it doesn't work for me, but it might actually work for another skin tone. So if you're watching this video and you think, well, I want to try this out, I want to see what is going to happen when I use this on myself, I am willing to give you this product free of charge. All you have to do is go right down to the comment section and drop me a comment telling me why I should send this product over to you free of charge. And if you are also watching this video and you are not a subscriber yet on my YouTube channel, I would like to invite you to please subscribe to my channel and make sure you click the notification button after subscription so that you will get notified each time I upload a new video. So I am signing out now, and I will see you all on my next vlog.